Welcome to Velocimotor. We make content about Formula 1, Formula E, hypercars, and planes. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel. In the past 2 weeks, the world of Formula 1 has been buzzing. Why? Because of the 2019 car launches. After a long off-season that left F1 meme pages dying for some action, we finally get to see the beast that will be powering around the track. First up, Haas. Haas recently got a title sponsor for their team, an energy drinks brand called Rich Energy. This means they changed their color scheme from white, red, and black to black and gold with a hint of white for some names. The American team has decided to keep the same drivers for another season, meaning that we can get some amazing team radio messages and interviews. Next on the list is Williams. They also have a new title sponsor, but instead of drinks, they're going for a telecommunications company known as Rocket. The car keeps the colors of white and blue from its 2018 car, but has decided to get rid of red on everything apart from the sponsor names. The age-old team has swapped out both their drivers, meaning that Robert Kubica and George Russell will be replacing Lance Stroll and Sergei Sirotkin. Will Williams improve this season after their grand total of 7 points from last year? Let us know what you think. Toro Rosso. The sister team of Red Bull didn't actually change their livery. It's the same as last year. One thing that did change is their drivers. The team swapped out Brendan Hartley and Pierre Gasly in favor of Alex Albon and Daniel Kvyat. Racing Point. The former Force India team has been renamed to Racing Point after they were bought by Lawrence Stroll. Their livery is still the same, but Esteban Ocon has been ousted by Lance Stroll for the 2019 season. Mercedes. After weeks of teasers being put on their Instagram page, we finally get to see the car. The F1 community was teased with pictures of camo on various parts of the car, but Mercedes has decided to stick to their standard colors of silver and blue. Lewis Hamilton and Valtteri Bottas will line up on the grid along with each other. Red Bull. Red Bull has unveiled a one-off livery that looks stunning. Why they refuse to keep it for the entire season, I don't know. As for the drivers, Daniel Ricciardo has been replaced with Pierre Gasly, while Max Verstappen remains for 2019. McLaren. The papaya-colored car remains in 2019, but with a touch of blue towards the back of the car. The driver suits have also been changed to complement it. Fernando Alonso and Stoffel Vandoorne have both left the team, and Lando Norris and Carlos Sainz have stepped up in their place. Ferrari. The Italian team has virtually the same livery, but have decided to change their paint finish from shiny to matte. This is in a bid to reduce the weight of the car and is estimated to have lost a few hundred grams. Charles Leclerc will be partnering Sebastian Vettel. The team has already announced that they will give Vettel first priority during races. Alfa Romeo. Formerly known as Sauber Alfa Romeo, there has been a name change for the team. The car has not changed much except with a bigger logo at the back. Kimi Raikkonen has joined the team for what could be his last season in F1 and will be joined by Antonio Giovinazzi. That wraps up this video. If you have any suggestions, put them into the comments section below. Thanks for watching.